Continents. A continent is a large, continuous piece of land separated from other landmasses by water. Some continents don't comply with this definition, has created controversy. The scientific community is mostly in favor of the seven-continent model. Continent of Asia. Asia is the largest and most populated continent on Earth. It is located mostly in the eastern and northern hemispheres and shares borders with Europe and Africa to the west, the Pacific Ocean to the east, the Arctic Ocean to the north, and the Indian Ocean to the south. Continent of Europe. The continent of Europe is located in the northern hemisphere and mostly in the eastern hemisphere, forming the western part of the larger landmass called Eurasia. It is Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Mediterranean Sea to the south, and Asia to the east. Continent of Africa. The continent of Africa is located mostly in the eastern hemisphere and straddles the equator, making it the only continent that lies in both the northern and southern hemispheres. It is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Indian Ocean to the east, and connected to Asia by the Sinai Peninsula in the northeast. Continent of North America. The continent of North America is located entirely in the northern hemisphere and mostly in the western hemisphere. It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the east, the Pacific Ocean to the west, and South America to the south, connected by the Isthmus of Panama. Continent of South America. The continent of South America is located mostly in the southern hemisphere and partly in the northern hemisphere, entirely within the western hemisphere. It is bordered by the Caribbean Sea to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the east, the Pacific Ocean to the west, and the Southern Ocean to the south. South America is connected to North America by the narrow Isthmus of Panama. Continent of Australia. The continent of Australia is located entirely in the southern hemisphere and mostly in the eastern hemisphere, lying between the Indian Ocean to the west and the Pacific Ocean to the east. It is the smallest continent in terms of land area. Continent of Antarctica. The continent of Antarctica is located at the southernmost part of the Earth, entirely within the southern hemisphere, and surrounds the South Pole. It is bordered by the Southern Ocean and is the fifth largest continent. Thank you.